I occasionally think how quickly our differences worldwide would vanish if we were facing an alien threat from outside this world.
In a world dominated by mainstream media, news for profit, misinformation, and fake news, who can you trust?
For nearly the last decade, I ran a sensitive aerospace threat identification program focusing on unidentified aerial technologies. It was in this position I learned that the phenomena is indeed real.
So who can you turn to?
Disclosure Tonight! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Disclosure Tonight! We have an amazing show in store for you folks, including a special guest host from Area 503, the search for universal truth. It's Manny! Special guest, the Area 503 computer, Fleet the Demon, Cynthia Sliplet, Louis Elizondo, and a special guest appearance by Tyler of Security 10. Disclosure Tonight. Buckle into your UFOs. It's going to be the ride of your life.
Disclosure Tonight. Fact or fiction? But about those videos, I gotta ask, what the heck happened with all that, dude?
I believe the Roswell UFO incident to be a fiction.
So, what does a massive living UFO eat?
Anything it wants to.
Coming soon to Area 503.